Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to book a ticket online on Book My Show app. Just go to Play Store and download the Book My Show app and open it. Just click on this movie. After click the movie, to read the details of the movie carefully. After see the details, click on book ticket and choose your favorite date do you want to watch. Let's choose the date of Sunday. Then you choose your near theater of you. Let's choose this theater. Click on the I button to see the location of theater. Read the terms and conditions of the theater carefully and after read to click on the accept. Let's choose the number of person to see the movie. Let's choose the 2% of the see the movie and click on the select seats and see the price of the persons. But after click the select seat, you want to select the number of row and seats. Let's select the 6 and 7 number row seat. After select the seat, you want to click to pay. After click to pay, you want to type your email address and phone number and you want to pay of rupees 520 and book your ticket and enjoy your movie. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and to press the bell icon to never miss an update. Share the video.